How to change chart type on PrimeXBT. Are you guys facing issues to change your chart type on PrimeXBT? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To change the chart type on PrimeXBT, first of all, open PrimeXBT application on your mobile device. Once you open the app, log in into your account with your registered email and password. As soon as you get logged in, now just simply look at the top left corner of your screen where you'll be able to see this option, time frame, and this chart icon. Tap on this middle one option. After you click on it, you'll be provided with multiple chart types. Just simply select candles. If you want candlestick to appear on the chart, tap on candles. And that's it, guys. That's how we're going to change chart type on PrimeXBT. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.